Hey there, it's another edition of Tutorial Wednesday where I teach you one thing or the other you can do with your smartphone. And today, let's look at... Are you excited already? So am I. So, let's jump right into the video. If smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction, then learning how to use your smartphone productively is very important. And on this channel, we teach everything about smartphone productivity and profitability. And if this is the kind of video you want to keep receiving, hit the subscribe button down below. And to get notified when I release a fresh video, hit the bell icon and you will be first to know when I drop a fresh video. My name is Frederick. Keep watching.
Hi, so in the tutorial today we are going to be using Picsart, right? So I'm going to skip the erase the background because I want to assume that you already know how to do that. Before you continue, you're supposed to have downloaded the stock photos you want to manipulate because I had already downloaded the cup and the smoke I used. The size of my Canva is not statutory. I'm using the one that matches the photo I want to manipulate. So this is the interface of the draw section of Picsart where you're going to be doing your manipulation. So this is called the layer, right? So you need to be adding each object to a separate layer so that you can edit it separately from the other. So I'm going to scale it down to match the cup so it will look like the image is inside the cup. Smart thing I'll do is to reduce the opacity of the image. That's the layer I'm working on, so I can be able to see through it and know when it has matched. So now I'm going to erase the part that is not supposed to be so it gets to match with the cup exactly. Okay, so I have to zoom in properly, just zoom in properly and then erase all the excesses till it finally matches the cup, so it looks like as if I am inside the cup. Once I'm done with the edits, I'll increase the opacity. Now I'm going to add a new layer and then add the smoke stock photo. Alright, so on editing the smoke, first off I have to align it to look well as if it's coming from my body. Then I'm going to use the overlay effect to make it look more like it's real. Remember, it's a manipulation, so to make it look more like it's coming from my body. I just did that right now. Then after this I'm going to increase that, duplicate the smoke so it will come twice, like that. It will be double from two ends. And I'll use the transform button of the smoke layer and then copy it and replicate it, then make it look good. So now I have to erase the excess of the smoke in case if it entered the side of the cup. is the point where I'm going to separate the colors under the saturation, right? So I'm going to turn the whole image to black and white, and then I'm going to erase I'm going to erase the effect on my clothes. Okay, so I'm going to erase the effect on my clothes, and that is how it will now look, as if my clothes is that color and then every other thing is black and white.